Well, we finally made it to the switchback. This is where the trail is going to turn and start going downhill now. We've been working on the upper leg of the switchback as we've been coming down. Yeah, switchback's right here. Somewhere the guys are in there, but I can't really see where.
I'm not sure. I haven't run into any yet. They're good.
Carl's had already started the lower leg, and he got in there a little ways. I can still see the brush moving a little bit. Carl's down in there somewhere. There he is, just saw him a little bit.
Oh, way to go, Bob!
Uh-oh, Bob must have done something nice. Ah, there's everybody at. There they are. They were close. That's Jim, Bob, and Kim.
I know, I'll use them.
This is how we clear trail. It's hard to believe. These guys, when they put the ribbons up, they had to crawl probably through on their backs some of the times and their stomachs and whatever just to put the ribbons up. Was that you, Bob, putting the ribbons out?
On his hands and knees.
Yep.
Yes, we have Bob to blame for it.
If there's a roto patch to be found, you guys can find it, that's for sure.
No, it's Ed that does that.
Yeah, it's good for that too. Yep. And the hard part is once you get something cut, trying to find out a place to put it. Everything is so thick with so many branches, it's hard to find a place to put what you just cut off the trail. Well, Carl must have, did Carl run out of fuel?
I don't know. He's got all there is.
Okay, so again, we're going down this way. Whoa. And the trail somehow, somewhere in here will turn, and you can see it's going to come down here. And I can see 4 different pink ribbons up in there somewhere. All right, time to start clearing again.